everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Today's video is going to be super interesting because today I'm gonna get a haircut, hair color and a hair spa done. I'm back at my mom's place, as you can see, my parents' place. I'm gonna stay here for a week, so I knew I had to go to get my hair done because it's been so long. I've been craving to get the roots done. Do you see the growth? It's just looking really weird. So that's what I'm gonna get. Haircut also, I'm not gonna cut a lot. I just want to get the front pieces done. And hair color ka, as you can see, the growth. So I really like the color that I have already. So I'm just gonna get the same thing done over here. Root touch up basically and a hair spa done ताकि मेरे बाल और भी ज़्यादा strong और healthy लगे. And I did wash my hair, by the way. I have just used a shampoo and conditioner, and yeah, that's it. That's how it's looking. Super long right now. So this is how the before looks like. As you can clearly see the growth. बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है. I definitely need a root touch up like ASAP. Also length भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है मेरे बालों का. And when the length gets super long, the roots starts to get flat, which I really don't like. And yeah, let's get our hair done. Okay, so the first thing I always do is inform him properly what I want, what I'm looking for. If you have images, then that's great. Now he has obviously cut my hair for a very long time. He knows exactly what I want, but I still end up telling him each and every single time what exactly am I looking for. If you do not have this conversation with your hairstylist, I think it's high time to change who cuts your hair. I had a few points in my mind that I wanted to inform him. The first one was the length. I definitely wanted to retain as much length as possible and just cut out the dry and split ends जो end में हो जाते हैं. Trust me, cutting that is such a relief and it definitely helps with a lot of tangles as well. The second thing I wanted are some front framing pieces to frame my face, so whenever I do hairstyles and stuff, I can pull out those pieces and it just looks good, frames my face and everything. And in general also face framing pieces look really good on me. And some long layers to add volume near the crown area because length बहुत ही बड़ा हो जाता है तो roots flat हो जाता है and roots के यहाँ curl होना भी थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है because of the weight it pulls it down. After the haircut, we also discussed about the color, which was a very long discussion, but I'm happy that they took that time because the result is amazing and I love the color. I think it's very important to discuss everything, every detail with your client to make sure both of you guys are on the same page, and then later on ऐसा नहीं हो जाएगा कि ये क्या कर दिया मेरे बालों के साथ, you know. Also, you're spending your hard-earned money and getting your hair done is not cheap at all. So if your hairstylist is not explaining everything, you can demand it from him. Try to explain, hey, what exactly are you doing and how are you gonna do it? Can you explain it to me? I really want to know. So yeah, just strike this conversation and make sure both of you guys are on the same page on what you want to get done. As I mentioned earlier, I just want to get the root touch-up done. I really like the color that I have on my length, so I definitely wanted the root to match the length color perfectly and blend in smoothly. Otherwise, वो बहुत ही patchy लगता. So yeah, that was definitely very important for me. Okay, so my previous hair color was more of a global with some highlights in. That's exactly what we're gonna do. So we first started with the root. For roots, they use the same color as global, which is a very pretty chocolate brown color. I'll add the exact name and number on the screen for you guys. But they lowered the volume to 10, which is minimum ताकि roots ज़्यादा light ना हो, which did happen in the past. If you use the same volume color on the length of your hair and your roots के यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा heat होता है. It picks up the color super early. तो जो roots का color होगा वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा light रहेगा compared to the length of your hair. So make sure जो volume होगा वो low होगा, otherwise you'll end up looking like this. Next, they left few sections for global hair color and weaved certain strands for highlight. That's exactly what they're doing right now. And for highlight, we went with a beautiful chocolate copper shade. Once the highlight part was done, they colored the rest of the hair with a nice chocolate brown global color. The whole coloring process actually went by really fast. I think max to max 1 hour mein we were done. Majority of the reason, I think there were like 3 to 4 people working on my hair. Also, it was just a root touch-up to be done, so that went by really fast. I think 5 to 10 minutes before washing the hair color off, they applied vibrance to revive the color back at the bottom of the hair, जिसके ऊपर already color था. because एक साल हो चुका था उस color को and थोड़ा dull हो गया था. Also, it should match the top color perfectly. So yeah, we applied a vibrance at the bottom. Finally, it was time to wash off the hair color and I could see what's going on, how is it looking. Of course, they shampooed and conditioned my hair as well. As soon as I saw the color, I was so happy. This is exactly what I wanted. The color looked beautiful. I was beyond happy. Once the hair color was done, we moved straight to haircut. The first thing he did was cut off all the dead and split ends at the bottom, which was causing a lot of frizz and tangles, to be honest. And then he gave me some nice front framing pieces which I had asked for. You can literally show this clip to your hairstylist if you want to get the same haircut done. He'll probably understand, it's really detailed. And then he matched those front framing pieces with the rest of my hair and evened everything out. Once the haircut was all done, I got another shampoo and condition session because उसके बाद मुझे hair spa कराना था और hair spa के पहले भी shampoo और condition करते हैं. For hair spa, they used a bunch of squash foam products. I literally cannot pronounce that name, but you get the point, right? They used one for color, for vibrance, for softness. They also used something, a bond fiber to bond and just increase the strength of my hair basically. Also, जो color use किया था वो भी same brand का है, FYI. I love that he took time to go back and forth and infuse it really well into my hair. You can clearly see it in the video and he did that all over my hair. Once that was done, the best part about hair spa begins now, the head massage. And oh my god, it was so satisfying and so relaxing, to be honest. The pressure he was using, he was asking me, is this good enough? Do I need to increase it? Should I reduce it? Each and everything really made it a pleasant experience for me, and it was so relaxing, like I can't even. And then he used this vibrating thing on his hand. As soon as he kept that hand on my head, oh my god, that is another level of relaxation. You really need to experience that to understand what I'm talking about. It feels so good. Once the hair spa was done, we washed off the hair products and now comes the styling part. If you have watched my previous haircut hair color vlog, you know that I always get a blow dry done because majority no one knows how to style curly hair, especially in parlors. And even if they try, it just ends up looking really frizzy and weird. So I always end up getting a blow dry done ताकि मैं at least my color or haircut देख सकूं and my hair will look a little better. But this time I was lucky because there was a squash pop professional in the salon. His name is Rajesh, by the way. I will leave his Instagram details in the description down below. He definitely knew what he was doing. He knew how to take care of curly hair, how to style it basically, and he definitely helped a lot with the color as well, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. So I knew that I could let him style my hair curly. He used a Squash Fof Oasis curly hair leave-in cream on my hair, and he made sure that my hair is well moisturized before he began styling, which is definitely a plus. and then he started finger coiling my hair, as you can see in the video. One thing I really appreciated the most was he explained it to me as well as the people around working in the salon how to take care of curly hair. I really appreciated that because a lot of curly girls really don't know how to take care of their hair, and the salon people also did not know how to take care of curly hair. So that was a definite plus. If you have finger coiled your hair, you guys know it takes a lot of time. So we definitely had a lot of time to kill. We talked about the Netflix shows that he is watching that he really likes, which I like, and he told me that he was a vegan, which was really intriguing. I am a non-vegetarian, to be honest. So he explained it to me which series he watched and what really inspired him to become a vegan. He suggested 2 series to me, What the Health and Game Changers. And oh my god, I did end up watching those series, and I'm really thinking about becoming a vegan. It's definitely going to be a long shot for me. I have been non-vegetarian my whole life, so going from a non-vegetarian to directly being a vegan is definitely going to be a slow process. Right now I'm trying to be a vegetarian. That means I'm not eating meat, but I'm definitely eating dairy products, which again vegans do not have that as well. But my ultimate goal is definitely to be a vegan. Right now I'm experimenting a lot with the dishes that I can make if I end up being a vegan. So once I do make that transition, I do know what to make and what to eat. I know I have been MIA since a very long time now. It's been 2 or 3 weeks. I haven't uploaded any video. That's because of my health. I've been falling sick, recovering, falling sick again, recovering, falling sick again. So it's been really frustrating, but I'm taking my time with my health as well as my mental health. Make sure I'm in a good place to start filming and shooting and getting myself into work again. I would highly recommend you guys to check out these 2 series, What the Health and Game Changers, just to gain a bit more knowledge about what you're putting in your body, because you are what you eat. And yeah, then you can definitely decide whether you want to be a vegan, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. It's up to you, but just have that knowledge and make the choice wisely. Once all my hair was finger coiled, he went ahead and blow dried my hair using a diffuser at low heat. Over here my hair is like 50% dry. It still needs to be dried a little bit more, and that's exactly what we did. And this is how the final result looks like. I absolutely love the hair color. It's looking so beautiful. Also the cut is looking really good as well. For styling, I would give a 9 out of 10 because it looks amazing, and he took the effort to finger coil my hair, which obviously takes a lot of time. But there is a little bit of frizz at the top of my head, as you can see. It's okay, it's absolutely fine because I know how to style my hair, and you will see how the color and cut looks properly in my future videos. But these are the only footage I have as of now. वहाँ का lighting इतना अच्छा नहीं था, so I do not have a lot of footage, but I do have some videos and some photos that I'm gonna add in this video. These are few of the photos that I took outside the salon where the sun was shining bright. You can clearly see the color. It looks so beautiful. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Of course, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for further notifications. With that said, I'll see you guys in my future videos. Bye bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough. Spider-Man's control.